Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my Canva Masterclasses lecture number 10. In today's lecture, we are going to learn one of Canva's most powerful feature or element. Elements are the building block of your design. Whether you are creating social media post, presentation, YouTube thumbnail, business card, or logo, you will use element in most every project. By the end of this lecture, you will know what is Canva Elements, how to search for elements, how to use graphics, shapes, icons, stickers, and frames, how to customize element, tips to create professional-looking design. Let's start it. So firstly, open Canva like I have opened and select your template. I will select a template. Instagram story and a blank template. You can select your template according to your need. Okay, so first topic is what are Canva elements? Elements are the ready-made design exist available inside the Canva. These are elements, okay? Instead of creating everything from scratch, Canva provide millions of items that you can simply drag and drop into your design. Elements include shapes, graphics, 3D animation, photos, frame, grids, videos, audio, forms, mockup, chart, sheet, and table. These help us to save our time while making your project look more professionally. Now, to access element, we have to open Canva Design. Okay. On the left toolbar, click on Elements. A search bar will appear on the top. Type searching you want to search for. For example, I will search flower. Flower. And then, no, just flower. It's wrong. Flower. Press enter. Now you instantly see many designs of elements, like you are watching on my screen. There are many that. If we take on graphics, it will show me a lot of designs in graphic. So look, it shows me a lot of designs. So I can scroll down and see. So understand the different categories. First is graphic. Graphic are the illustration elements. Example. Graphics. And leaf, flower. For example, leaf, flower, abstract shape, business icon, background object. Graphic and recolored if you spot editing, like I want to recolor this flower in red color. Look, graphics can be recolor easy. I will choose this one. Okay. Now, second one is photos. Canva also include million of stock photos. For example, office, food, nature, fashion, technology. Many are free and many are paid. You look. Where the crown is showing that image is paid and where the crown is not showing that image is free. Now, third is third one. We will firstly do video. Need animated background? Search for rain, fire, city, ocean, cloud. Simply drag the video into your canvas like I will search for ocean. OCEAN. Search. It will show me a lot of. Like I will select this one. Oh, it is gone. Okay, it is loading. Let it load. So it is taking time, and I think let it remove. Okay, now fourth number is audio. You can add music. Search happy, corporate, cinematic, realistic, perfect for YouTube videos and presentation. Okay, now fifth one is shapes. Okay, I have searched ocean. There's no, let's fly and click on shapes. Okay, shapes include rectangle, circle, triangle, square, heart, polygon, and many more. Shapes are useful for creating layouts and backgrounds. Okay, now sixth one is frame. Frame allow you to place images inside the custom shape. For example, I will take this circle frame and put the fly inside it. The fly shape is in circle. Okay? Simply drag your image into your frame. It will exactly look like the frame. Grids. Now, oh, okay. There is no. I think here there is the option of grid also. Yeah, look at this is grid. Grid help to organize multiple photos, perfect for clouds, Instagram post, product catalog. Okay. Now, audio done, video done. Visual is left. I think all I done. Table sheet is not required. That's why we have not done. But let it click. Here there are multiple sheets we can use for our designs. Elements, table. Here is a table we can add to your design if we need. But mostly these two is not required. Okay? Now, we will learn how to search elements like a pro. For example, the quality of search result depends upon your keywords. Instead of typing flower like I have flower type already, try minimal flower, meaning flower, and press search. It will show me flowers, but in different designs, like I will drag. No, because this element has already in it. Let it remove by pressing the delete key on our keyboard and enter this. Why it is not entering? Okay. You can also search watercolor flowers, floral, borders, gold flower, luxury flowers. For the business design, you can search like office text, office, desk, marketing icon, SEO, analytics, theme up, and setups. For YouTube thumbnail, you can search Explorer, File, Smoke, Neon, Glow, Lightning, Arrow, Red Circle. Better keywords give better result. Pro versus free elements. Some elements are completely free. Other display a small crown icon, means that they are available only with Canva Pro. If you're using the free variant, you can filter free and choose your element. Let me fetch minimal text. Here it will show me why it is not showing free and where it is gone. I don't know why it is not showing me. Usually it is in filter, and you can filter your free elements by clicking on free. Tell me in comment section that in your Canva it is showing or not. Now, editing elements. Most element can customize. You can change color, resize, rotate like I have done already. Didn't change the color of flowers. Adjust transparent layers, duplicate. Some graphics even allow multiple color changes. Experiment with other options to match your brand color. Layering element. Professional design often use multiple elements together. For example, background shape, gradient circle, photos, tags, arrows, sparkle, shadows. These create depth and make the design more attractive. Let me tell you some useful keywords. Shadow, glow, gradient, neon, ribbon, banner, sparkle, brush, stroke, paint, watercolor, abstract, bold, texture, paper, dust, smoke, fire, lightning, arrow, circle out. They are commonly used for professional designers. Common mistakes. These are the common mistakes that always beginners do. Use too many elements, mix different illustration style, use random colors, overcrowding your design, ignoring space. Keep your design clean, balanced, and visually good. Today we have learned what are Canva elements. Okay. Different element categories. These are the different element categories. Okay. How to search effective elements, graphics, photos, videos, frame, shapes, grid, etc. Editing elements, layer element professionally, tips for better creator. Thank you so much for watching this. Now open your Canva and spend more time to exploring the element panel. Trying searching for different keywords, experiment with shapes, graph, fix, frames, icon, and create a simple design, usually what you learn today. In this lecture, we will explore Canva tools and learn how to create beautiful topography. Combine four to see you in next lecture. If you have any question, let me know in comment section. Allah Hafiz.